Tired of the blurry vision? I'm here to guide you through the natural remedies to sharpen your vision. Discover natural techniques to heal your sight, targeting the root causes of poor eyesight. Let's bring everything into focus. Unlock the secrets to healing your vision naturally in 7 transformative steps, all through the power of nature. First, mastering muscle elasticity. The journey begins by breaking free from eye muscle spasms. Without regular training and relaxation, your eye muscles remain locked in a state of tension. It's crucial to start doing exercises that not only strengthen but also soften and stretch these eye muscles. Training in the way for enhanced flexibility and functionality. Second, boosting blood flow. Blurry vision, it's a sign your eyes are craving for more circulation, while neck stretches. Start incorporating full body movements like squats can supercharge your blood flow from head to toe. Active eye movements are vital, especially for tackling myopia, by easing the tension in the muscles wrapping around your eyes. Encourage your eyes to explore your surroundings, awakening relative muscles and rejuvenating your sight. Third, neck movement. A supple neck is the main part of nourishing blood to your eyes and brain. Engage in the neck exercises to ensure these vital areas receive all the nutrients and oxygen they need to thrive. Fourth, the art of relaxation. Learning to relax is non-negotiable. If relaxation feels foreign to you, it's time to become a student of calm. Discover the top 5 relaxation techniques on my channel to give your eyes and your entire body the restorative break your eyes deserve every 20 minutes. Fifth, breathing life into your vision. Oxygen is the fuel to your eyes needs to function at their best. If deep breathing isn't second nature to you yet, it's time to practice. This self-driven process is essential for optimizing the delivery of oxygen to your eyes. 6. Calming down your mind. Lastly, let's tackle the psychological hurdles that may be clouding your vision. Stress and mental blocks can tighten your eye muscles without you even realizing it. Identifying and overcoming these barriers can dramatically reduce tension, allowing your eyes to relax and heal themselves naturally. 7. You need to implement all these tactics as habits. First, regular eye workouts. No more than 1 minute per training. Second, start doing neck exercises to reduce eye strain, and improving blood circulation to your eyes and brain will work better. Third, start practicing meditation and relaxation techniques to calm down your mind and relax your body. Number 8, discover the eye workout path to enhancing your vision capabilities with Eyesight Academy. Sharpen your eye focus or simply give your eyes the care they deserve. A link in the description below. 9. Dive deeper into each of these steps to see the world more clearly. Subscribe to my channel for a treasure trove of eye health tips and tricks. Let's embark on this journey to visual freedom together.